So guys, welcome back. Hey YouTube, what's going on guys? So today, here in front of me, I'm about to put it inside of the box. I got it all wired up. It's all ready to go. I just like to use a bit extra long wire here. So this is a, I don't know if you can see here. I got bad lighting here. So the Skar ZVX 8-inch. It's going to go inside of this box here. This is about the same size as what the company calls for the box. I think this is the dual 2 ohm. I'm going to wire it to 4 ohms. I'm going to run it at 4 ohms. I'm going to give it just about RMS. Just about RMS. I don't like to give it full RMS because they never can really take full RMS. So the cone seems pretty tight. This is really tight. So I'm trying to, okay, so it has the pole vent. Oh, there it is. And on the bottom there. ZVX8D2 dual tool, 900 RMS. So we're gonna give it 800. Alright, so we got a little pole vent down there. It says this is a 2.5-inch copper voice coil. So for an 8-inch, it's got a 2.5-inch copper or 2.5-inch voice coil. So that's pretty big for an 8-inch woofer. And this thing weighs a ton for an 8-inch woofer too. So after I get this installed, I should have it in the car in the morning. I'm going to charge up the camera, make sure it's all charged. And I should have a video up for you tomorrow of this guy. Alright? It's got a triple magnet motor here. Alright, so tomorrow we'll have this guy going. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video. Later guys.